to the Perth Mint unboxing series. I'm Ying Zhong, one of the coin designer of the Perth Mint, and today we are unboxing this rather special design of mine, the 2023 Australian Lunar Series Year of the Rabbit Silver Trio. Packaged in a sleek, sophisticated shipper portraying the story of how the rabbit became the animal of the zodiac. This coin is housed in a traditional Perth Mint display case with a magnetized lid and numbered certificate of authenticity. Comprising 3 Australian Lunar Series 2023 Year of the Rabbit coin variants, each highlighting the 4th element of the zodiac. Those born of the Year of the Rabbit are said to be intelligent, creative, vigilant, and compassionate. Struck to our meticulous minting standards, each set contains a 1 ounce silver-proof coin, 1 ounce silver-proof colored coin, and a 1 ounce silver 24-carat gilded coin. To purchase this coin, visit perthmint.com or one of our authorized distributors.